Okay, more of the same, 6.8. I'm going to do part of these problems, half of the problems, and I'm going to leave the rest for you to do as practice. So I'm going to do the first, I don't know, 5 or 6 maybe, and then I'm going to leave you to do the rest because hopefully you've gotten it by now, and because I can. So let's go over our steps for double distribution. Okay, the first thing we can do, algebra tiles, not my favorite. I don't think they're anybody's favorite. So let's use another method. Okay, let's use our box. So we have x minus 4, 2x plus 1. Multiply 2x times x, and I get 2x squared. 2x times negative 4, and I get minus 8x. 1 times x is x. 1 times negative 4 is minus 4. These guys get combined. I have 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. Or I can do double distributing with my separating out my x plus 1, negative 3x plus 1, and negative 3x plus 1, so that I separated out the first binomial and I wrote the second one down so I can multiply each one of these times, distribute it through the other one at a time. So distributing, I end up with minus 3x squared plus x minus 3x plus 1 after distributing. So I put these guys together and I have negative 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Straightforward enough, I hope. Okay, so here's Latanya's office. It's as close to a square as I can get, the side's x. And her new company, her box, her office, which is a box, is going to be 2 less this way, but 4 plus this way. So the length is going to be x minus 2, and the width is going to be x plus 4, or something like that. So we're going to multiply x minus 2 times x plus 4. That's going to be the area of her new office. So, time to go home! X plus 4, x minus 2, x squared, minus 2x, plus 4x, minus 8, x squared, plus 2x, minus 8. Alrighty. I'm going to separate my 2w and my minus 5. So I can multiply each one times w plus 7. And then I'm going to distribute and end up with 2w squared plus 14w minus 5w minus 35, which is 2w squared. Plus 14 minus 5 would be 9. Yeah, plus 9w minus 35. That's the way I'm used to doing it. So k plus 12, 3k minus 2, 3k minus 2. Notice that these are always the same. I don't ever multiply times something different here and here, because I'm just writing the same thing twice so I can multiply each one of the terms times the second binomial. Sorry, got distracted. All right, 3k squared minus 2k plus 36k minus 24. Those go together, 3k squared plus 34k minus 24. Okay, number 6. is 2n plus 3 times 2n plus 3. So I have 2n times 2n plus 3 times 2n plus 3, 4n squared plus 6n plus 6n plus 9. 4n squared plus 12n plus 9. All right, this is the last one I'm going to do. You want me to do number 9, don't you? Well, I do number 9 instead of number 7, and then I'll be done. All right, this is going to be a long one, I suspect. So I'm just going to have 3 terms, and each one multiplied. So here's my y squared times everything in here. Y squared minus 6y plus 5 plus 7y times y squared minus 6y plus 5 minus 1 times y squared minus 6y plus 5. So here's my 3 terms that were in my first polynomial. And then my second polynomial, I wrote down 3 times. So I could multiply each individual thing in this polynomial times the second one. So this would be triple distributing, wouldn't it? Y to the 4th minus 6y cubed plus 5y squared plus 7y cubed minus 42y squared plus 35y, and everything at the end just gets the sign changed. Minus y squared plus 6y minus 5. Okay, so my 7y to the 3rd power ends up here. My minus 42y squared is here. My, what's that one and that one? My 35y is by itself so far. And then here's a minus y squared. And then here's a plus 6y. And then I have a 5. So y to the 4th plus y cubed. So I have 5 minus, okay, 42, 5 minus, blah, blah, blah. 42, and another one's negative 43, plus 5 makes 2, 41, 40, 39, 38. Negative 38, y squared, and then I have these guys, plus 41y, and then I have that minus 5 at the end all by itself. Phew! Okay, so here is the answer to number 9. Okay, now that's really all I'm doing. You guys are on your own. You guys are on your own for the rest of those. See if you can do them. We'll check them in class together. And hopefully you got this, because this is kind of the bulk. This is the big new idea for this 9 weeks that you're going to have to feel really comfortable with.